From pub food that packs a punch
Buffalo egg rolls, pick up. The hot sauce is homemade, out of this world.
to Pineville tradition.
Here's your rice pudding. It's really good.
This is Pineville Tavern, and a whole hunk of the menu that's right out of the Abruzzi family cookbook.
Half ravioli, full ravioli, 2 meatballs.
Their meatballs and the raviolis are just to die for.
Rigatoni bolognese.
Authentic. The recipes came over from the old country. They were brought over by my great-grandmother, Clara. Rigatoni bolognese up.
My aunts made ravioli for church dinners.
And it just gets passed down through the generations. Half ravioli, and now I'm the 4th generation in America making these ravioli.
Take me to Flavortown, son.
We use 1/3, 1/3, 1/3 beef, veal, and pork. Nice and hot.
Really break this meat apart. We don't want any big chunks.
Absolutely.
You know what? You just don't see it at fairs anymore. Meat pops. Next.
Minced shallot, minced garlic, salt, black pepper,
Okay.
a little bit of granulated garlic. Give that a stir to incorporate.
Just a little bit, though. Not a lot at all.
Just a little bit. There's also garlic in the marinara sauce.
Got it. Let it cool down before we mix it with the cheese filling.
Absolutely.
Dig it. Now we're talking about filling. That's Mount Vesuvius of ricotta.
You can never have too much cheese. About a dozen eggs. Hard skim mozzarella cheese. Grated locatelli romano. Chopped flat leaf parsley. Salt. Fresh ground black pepper. Switch it on. 2 to 3 minutes. Mix it with the meat.
Precise measurement here, or?
Very precise. Right about there. Now we'll combine that.
So we're set with the meat filling for the ravs.
Yep.
Now, was this hammered out by Paul Revere?
We found it in the basement, so you never know.
You don't. Into the piping bag.
And the dough is as simple gets. It's flour and eggs.
It's like music to my ears.
We'll mix it for 3 minutes.
That's it?
That's it.
Okay, so the dough's had a chance to rest, and now sheet the pasta, make the ravioli.
Absolutely.
All so simple.
Get that started. And the thickest on this happens to be 7.
So lots of flour so it doesn't stick and bind.
And we'll go again. Drop it down 1 setting.
Now this will be the triple?
This will be the triple here.
Doing the triple to get it the right size so it'll go through.
Hit it with a little bit more flour. 1 setting less again. Number 3. 2. We're going down to 1.
Look at that. That's crazy.
Fillings in the piping bag, straight up and down. Roll it over. And the other half, straight with the left, cup with the right.
What is this, Karate Kid? What do you think?
Looks great.
This?
Okay, cut them, seal them, and for that, we use our fork.
That, without question, is the ultimate ravioli tool.
We had one made for you.
Dude.
Just press to seal. And that's it.
What's the next step, boss?
Get them in the water.
Now we're just waiting to cook the pasta dough itself. So give me the rundown on the marinara.
Very basic. Olive oil, garlic, and canned Italian plum tomatoes.
San Marzano.
San Marzano. And right onto the plate.
Look at that.
Touch it up with a little fresh chopped parsley and some grated locatelli romano.
Now that's a fork. That is all thrilla, no filla. You got the balance. Exact amount of creaminess. You taste the texture in the ricotta still. Then you get the texture of the meat. And the flavor's right on point with it. The marinara adds that acid, a little bit of that sting from some of that cheese right on top of it. Here, you want to try some? Oh, I'm sorry.
Homemade cheese ravioli.
It's so nice and thin and fresh and delicious and light.
That's how you really tell that it's homemade ravioli.
Cheese ravioli.